In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a DKIM key in Salesforce. DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, is a method of email authentication that helps protect your domain against email spoofing and phishing. By setting this up, you ensure that recipients know emails are truly from your domain, keeping your communication secure and your domain's reputation intact. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. This process requires administrative access, so make sure you have the necessary permissions to proceed. Once logged in, look towards the top right area of the interface. You'll see a gear icon there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and select Advanced Setup. This is where you'll access various options critical for configuring DKIM keys. With Advanced Setup open, locate the Quick Find box. This is a handy tool that lets you quickly navigate to specific settings pages. Simply type DKIM keys into the search field and then click on DKIM keys in the search results. This will take you to the section where you can manage your domain keys. Now look for the option to create new key and click on it. This option allows you to generate a new DKIM key for your domain. Be prepared to enter some important details on the Create New Key screen that appears. Begin by entering a selector. This is a unique name that helps identify the DKIM key, such as Salesforce 1. Next, there's an alternate selector. This allows Salesforce to automatically rotate your DKIM keys, enhancing your domain's security. Input another unique name that corresponds to this function. Move on to the domain field. Here you'll input your sending domain, for example example.com. This specifies the domain for which the DKIM key will be valid. The key size is another critical setting. It's strongly recommended to choose the 24/8-bit option, as this provides a robust level of encryption. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Save. By doing this, Salesforce will generate the essential public DNS entries for your domain. These entries need to be published with your DNS provider to complete the setup. The next step involves accessing your DNS host or provider, such as GoDaddy, Cloudflare, or Namecheap. You'll need to add a new TXT record using the values that Salesforce generated earlier. This step is crucial as it links the DKIM key to your domain, enabling the verification of your emails. Following these steps carefully will ensure that your emails are authenticated consistently, helping you safeguard your domain from potential email threats and maintaining its integrity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.